this one cleaned out so we can use it. Are you guys hungry? Are you hungry? You're starving? Poor skinny cows. Judy? You a skinny cow? Yeah.
Where do I buy cows from? You can buy them directly from local farmers, you can buy them at your local cattle market, and lastly, directly from cattle buyers.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of each?
Directly from farmers in your area. Pros. 1. You see firsthand how well the farmer cares for his animals. 2. You can find out why he is selling them. 3. The animal is less likely of being exposed to sick animals. Cons. 1. Good chances are that you will pay more per animal. 2. The farmer might be moody and decide he or she doesn't want to sell to you. 3. You could offend the farmer by offering a lower price. Buying at the sale barn. 1. You tend to pay fair market price, which is usually lower. 2. You can check out the cattle before the sale. 3. There is no haggling involved. When the auctioneer says sold, the new owner owns it.
Cons. 1. The cattle can be exposed to other sick animals. Pick eye and shipping fever. 2. You have just seconds to decide if you want it once the bidding begins. 3. You need to own or know someone that owns a cattle trailer to get them home.